My father has a temper, and for the longest time, I believed that he was hard to love. And then often, I would respond with my own silent, seething anger. He's a bad person for speaking this way, I would think, and he doesn't deserve my love. Many of us have the notion that there are people who are easy to love, and then there are people who are hard to love. Some people are lovable, and some people aren't. This gives us an excuse not to feel love for somebody. Well, because they don't deserve it. Some people are not deserving of our love. But what if that's not true? First of all, we can't telepathically transfer our feelings to another person. But also, every single human being on this planet is 100% lovable. Yes, even the worst of them. There is nothing someone can do or not do to increase or decrease their lovability. We don't look at a single baby and think, that one's less lovable than another. If our thoughts create our feelings, and so we create our own feelings of love, that means loving somebody is a reflection of our ability to love them, not the responsibility of the loved. When I learned to love my father with all of his imperfections, I am reminded of my complete lovability as well, and I am able to use that muscle on myself, loving all of my imperfections too. We don't get to decide our worth or our lovability. It's already been decided. We were born, we are here, we are 100% lovable, and there's nothing that we can do about it.